Q8130-2. Which of the following terms is divided by or used to indicate specific measured distances from the datum and divided by or other points identified by the manufacturer to points in or on the aircraft? 1. Zone numbers. 2. Reference numbers. 3. Station numbers. A. 1 and 3. B. 3. C. 2. The correct answer is B. A numbering system called station numbers is used on substantial aircraft assemblies to identify stations like fuselage frames. Fuselage frame STA-185 denotes a frame that is 185 inches away from the aircraft's datum. The measurement is often taken from the nose, also known as the zero station, although in some cases, the manufacturer may choose to measure from the firewall or another location. 8130-3. In order to locate wing and stabilizer frames, what numbering system is used? A. Dimension numbers. B. Station numbers. C. Scale numbers. The correct answer is B. Station numbers are used to identify specific locations along the aircraft's longitudinal axis, which includes the wings and stabilizers. Dimension numbers are used to indicate specific measurements, while scale numbers are used to indicate the ratio of a model or drawing compared to the actual size of the aircraft. 8131. One purpose for schematic diagrams is to show the A. Functional location of components within a system. B. Physical location of components within a system. C. Size and shape of components within a system. The correct answer is A. Schematic diagrams are often used to represent the functional relationship between different components within a system. They help to show how different components work together to achieve a specific purpose and how they are connected to each other. Schematic diagrams usually use standardized symbols and labels to represent different components, making it easier to read and understand the system. 8132. When reading a blueprint, a dimension is given as 4.387 inches plus 0.005-002. Which statement is true? A. The maximum acceptable size is 4.390 inches. B. The minimum acceptable size is 4.385 inches. C. The minimum acceptable size is 4.382 inches. The correct answer is B. When a dimension is given as 4.387 inches plus 0.005-002, that means the acceptable range of the dimension is from 4.385 inches, 4.387-002, to 4.392 inches, 4.387 plus 0.005. Any size within this range would be acceptable, but any size smaller than 4.385 inches or larger than 4.392 inches would be considered out of tolerance. Therefore, the minimum acceptable size would be 4.385 inches. 8133. What is the allowable manufacturing tolerance for a bushing where the outside dimensions shown on the blueprint are 1.0625 plus 0.002, 5-.0003? A. 0028. B. 1.0650. C. 1.0647. The correct answer is A. With a tolerance of plus 0.002, 5 minus 0.0003, the bushing mentioned here has an outer dimension of 1.0625 inches. The outside diameter of the bushing could range from 1.0622 inches to 1.0650 inches. This component has a 0.0028-inch tolerance.